welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through fears and live an awesome life. Alright, I know I mention her constantly, but she's like my Virginia. Virginia, there really is a Santa Claus. She sends me so much stuff because she's taking these videos and she's implementing it. So when I get results back from you guys, it's amazing. And so many of you, especially you did the global meditation, instead of going, me, what can I get? Let's do a manifesting, video. You're doing a global meditation. So you're opening up to giving, which you're receiving. So all of a sudden you're going to higher frequency and you guys are experiencing miracles and amazing stuff showing up because now you're going into that space of abundance, right? You're thinking abundance and light and love, and the collective is you. All right. So I want you to understand that we are one. So I'm going to keep pushing you further and further to explore. What you believe or not is your choice. So she said, I was saying that I actually know that everything is intelligent. Clouds are. Everything's intelligent. The Native American Indians would do rain dances and it would rain. How is that possible? Everything's intelligent and reacts to you. That's real stuff. Greg Braden went with a friend who actually went and did this. And within, I don't know if it was less than 24 hours. This drought area, clouds started to form immediately and they had rain. He witnessed this. He is always into how are they doing it? It's what they're believing. And they're connecting to what they are. They don't believe that they are separate from the clouds or the rain. They know that they are the power of the clouds and the rain, not as individuals, but as one energy. So when let's say these are the clouds and this is the rain, you're moving the fingers. That's all it is. But if you don't believe that you have a hand, then you're going, hey! All right, I'm getting a little goofy. I had some coffee today. By the way, you guys, I don't know if you know this. I don't drink fully leaded coffee. It's half calf. So Lisa did this. She experienced this too with the clouds because I was actually in a plane and I realized that that's intelligent. This is intelligent energy that we're going through. And I actually looked at them and communicated with them. Am I losing it? Yeah, I'm losing all those restrictions, all those crazy things that tell us that a cloud's a cloud and I'm something different. I know that it's part of my energy. I know I can communicate with it, all of it. Everything. Animals, everything. It's all real stuff. Well, they knew this in ancient times, right? And we're just now clueless getting in touch with this. So, yeah. So Lisa spoke to the clouds. She was mowing her lawn and asked them basically to hold off because they were looking a little ominous. Hold off until she was done. She said it works. Yeah, black rain clouds asked at a later time, look, clouds, I'm going to get my mowing done. Work with me, please, here. Right? You don't order it. You just say, let's work together. We are co-creators. And then, of course, as soon as she was done mowing her lawn, it poured. She says, I don't care what you do after I finish mowing, but for now I need it to be dry, please. She was polite, and it worked. Why? She really is feeling that she is part of the cloud. She's not saying, here's this thing over there, even though she's speaking to it that way. She's truly believing, and I know she is. She's getting this. She's interacting with everything as one energy. And this is when you say to the mountain, move and it shall move. Why? Because you are the mountain, you're the energy behind it, and you are the earth. You are everything. There's no separation in energy. When you actually comprehend that, and you stop looking at, sometimes I look at my body and I think, this is not one of my favorite forms, by the way. The human body to me is not very attractive. I think it's just weird, especially how it functions. We eat and do all these weird things. Other planets, they don't do that. They don't even eat. They don't have to. It's just very simple. But we have things here we have to deal with, so it appears that we're individuals, but when you realize you really aren't that, you're just expression of that, so are the clouds, so are the trees, are the same energy that you are expressing itself. In this form, we are allowed free will because we have brains and stuff. We're functioning as humans. We chose that role. So as humans, we get to do different things and work with the planet and whatever. And the energy that we are, as grass or whatever, has chosen to be in that form that interacts with us. And we may destroy it. We may poison it. And it has agreed to, as we have, to play that role. And I may agree to come here and not poison the planet. This is why I'm switching from my Chanel lipstick that I love so much, when I found out that they don't do animal testing here in the United States, but they do in China. I can't do it. When you take my e-course, I'm going to do vegan journals. I can't bring myself to do leather, and believe me, I've got a lot of leather stuff. I got to make some decisions. I got to switch over. I've got to make the decisions. Once you have information, now you're responsible. And that is going to carry through to that transformation into the other side. And you don't want to take that with you. Trust me. That nasty thing you say or that judgment or whatever, we all have to work on that, myself included. Right? I got to catch myself sometimes like, whoa, that's a judgment. Right? What can I do? I ask forgiveness and then I send that person light and love, and I realize that they are no different to me. They may have just different things that they're experiencing, and maybe some of us have worked through things more than others, but we're still experiencing being human beings here. We have very important decisions to make. But you are the one energy. You are the planet. Why would you do anything to hurt it? You are the animals. You are the plants. So I'm making a huge effort. I just ordered a boatload of stuff from Amazon that's all natural, no chemicals, including my toothpaste. You know, this stuff we're putting on is screwing up our thyroid, our hormones, all this stuff. We're poisoning ourselves. And then we spend millions and billions of dollars on curing cancer. It's insane. I'll tell you how to cure cancer. Quit putting chemicals on everything and eating it. So we are one energy. Let's clean up our act, everything, our thoughts. Man, I'm on it. What's my thought? Because I'm manifesting it at every second, and so are you. To the clouds, can you please hold off? Let me finish my lawn. Or you can decide, is it really important for me to do the lawn? Or maybe we need that rain really bad and I can mow my lawn some other time. You're all participating in this. You get to decide. A couple minutes didn't hurt the clouds to hold off so Lisa could get her lawn done. This is amazing, amazing stuff. Lisa also used my video to talk to energy, of which she knows she is. So she's actually that other aspect of energy that is not so nice, that expression, she says it's not welcome here, the dark energies. And so it is not. And it goes. And she didn't realize she could do that. We're so busy defending ourselves. And I tell you, battle nothing. Fight nothing. Instead of battling this to make it go away, battling the cancer, battling the drugs, you go over here and you say, I'm going to eat clean. I'm going to make sure my kids eat clean. I'm going to order stuff that's healthy because those companies that sell the crap won't have a market anymore. So instead of me battling them, stop, they'll stop when they don't have anything to sell anymore. So you go over here and you say, I'm getting off the drugs. I'm going to start eating healthy. I'm going to start doing all the things. And guess what? I don't need high blood pressure pills and all this other crap that says you could be depressed. You can have itchy skin. You might be on your roof building a nest and with an AK-40 shooting at your neighbors. Right? So, let's make great decisions because we're one. You are absolutely interacting with everything at all times, and it is intelligent. Everything's intelligent. This is intelligent. It doesn't make the kind of decisions we do, but it is intelligent. When I touch this, this is energy. This is actually aware of me. That's why when you see these shows where, haunted items, there's energy in it. How is that possible? How can that be haunted? Because that energy of that person's in here. That's how powerful you are. That's how powerful you are. Your energy goes in here. They've done studies that when you sit in a chair and you leave, your energy, they can document this, is still in that chair, that DNA imprints there. They say for a couple hours. I think it never goes away. Why? Because we're one. How can it go away? Maybe it'll disperse to some extent. That's how powerful you are. Your energy in a room, your thought. When you touch something, how you handle everything, what you put in your body, what you're doing for a living, how you treat other people, all of it. We're so responsible, all of us. When you put energy into, and you have energy, into this cup of abundance and peace and love, if your intentions are, I want something, I want to get something, that's a lower frequency, me, ego. When you say, I truly want to put abundance and light and love in here for the whole planet, not just myself. Why? Because that is, you are everything anyway. So why not wish it for everything? Because it's going to come back to you. Not come back. It's already happening. There's no delay. That's why I don't go law of attraction. No. Shifting into that frequency, that reality. I just did a video on reality shifts. Send it in here. You've seen those studies. Dr. Emoto documented it. We're changing the structure of this by sending the energy. These are actual experiments. I'm not making this up. Dr. Emoto, you can look it up. And then I drink it. And I imagine that golden, beautiful light going down. And I imagine, I say, thank you. What's going to happen today? Something exciting is going to happen today. Every time I get on a plane, every single time I get on a plane, I've done this for years and years and years. I wait till everybody gets on the plane and I imagine a white light coming. I start with the cockpit, coming over the entire plane inside. Then I take that light over the tail, over to the bottom, up over the top, over the wings, and I envelop that plane in a white light and I send miracles and light and love to everybody on that plane. I don't ask for protection because I'm like, if I'm going to go, I'm going to go, whatever. But I say blessings to everyone on this plane. I send them light and love. May a miracle happen for them. I send a miracle to so maybe I'll see you on the plane soon. I've got some events I'm flying to. Sign up for Landria's Inspiration. Subscribe to my channel. I am going to ask now. Send these videos out and share them so we can raise the frequency of this planet, because when that happens, we're all abundant. We're all at peace. We're all healthy, wealthy, wise, and happy. And then we just don't need bodies anymore, which is the rainbow body, and I'm going to do a video on that. You're whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.